So this project is an illustration of how the Solid Waste Division is contributing to the Strategic Climate Action Plan's priority action of identifying 20 zero-energy living building challenge projects by 2025. This is a little bit different than the solar panel installations that we've done on our other county properties, where this is ground mounted versus rooftop installations, and that's because we've been able to identify a great location and clear land without trees and shadows.
The energy generated by these solar panels is enough to generate electricity for 24 homes. But we're going to use that energy right here at our transfer station to bring us to a net zero energy carbon neutrality. The solar array was funded with the significant support of a grant by the Washington State Department of Commerce. It's expected to pay for itself over 17 years, and the panels will generate electricity for the next 25 years.
It's an example of how our division is going to meet its commitment of being carbon neutral in operations by 2025. And it's a very innovative and forward progressive way of operating our facilities and providing essential services to our community. We are going to benefit from that solar production and renewable energy for decades to come.